हर एक बात पे कहते हो तुम कि तू क्या है। हर एक बात पे कहते हो तुम कि तू क्या है। तुम ही कहो कि ये अंदाज गुफ्तगू क्या है। रगों में दौड़ते फिरने के हम नहीं कायल, जो आँख ही से न टपका तो फिर लहू क्या है। So these are some lines from the ghazals which Mirza Asadullah Khan, the eminent poet of Indian subcontinent, wrote many years back, maybe 2000 or 200 years back. And so there's an important context to this piece of poetry, and the interaction between Ustad Zauq, the eminent poet who is the poet of that dynasty, poet of that um, of the kingdom, and Mirza Ghalib is being introduced as kind of a person who is new to the kingdom, and he was invited to recite this poetry in the darbar of that king, or the or the castle of that king. And this, the, so so what happens is that the Ustad Zauq sort of dismisses the poetic caliber of Ghalib, and out of that interaction, this poem came about. And why I'm introducing this to you is that's exactly what's happening in the collective. And this conversation right now is very important, is between the power grabbers and those who want to unleash their inner authority. And astrologically speaking, Ustad Zauq represents the very Saturnian element, very Saturnian conversation. And this poem is actually saying, the Ustad Zauq is saying to Ghalib that, who you are, how you can talk to me, and you are not that crafty in the business of poetry, you are a new one. That's the tone of Zauq, and that's what in Urdu Mirza Ghalib is sort of narrating his experience that हर एक बात पे कहते हो तुम के तू क्या है. So who are you, who the hell you are. That's the kind of tone in this poetry. And then Mirza Ghalib responds to this, तुम ही कहो ये अंदाज़ गुफ्तगू क्या है. So then Ghalib sort of says that you tell me, what kind of a conversation is this, would you reflect. So a lot of self-awareness is there in this conversation, and that is happening in the collective right now. And this Saturnian energy, which psychologists may want to call it narcissism, and there are people who want to bring their inner authority out there. And you can relate this conversation to media, what kind of images they are portraying to people, and what people are getting, which also sort of saying that people are saying that this is a Neptunian bubble that we are living in, and what media is portraying and what people are getting, and the kind of. So besides this is a great time to deal with this conversation and come into your inner authority. So if you are called to work with me, please personal message me. I will be happy to facilitate you. And I believe that dealing with narcissism has become more important in this world, because how do you work with this Saturnian energy, which wants to dominate, which wants to grab things out. And when you see that the way to deal with narcissism is not to challenge it, is not to resist it, but to see the pain narcissists carry within them. And once you see the pain and be with them, that shadow of narcissism melts through its own way. And that's what I would and I work with my clients and people who want to quote unquote heal narcissism. So do personal message me if you are called to. I would be happy to facilitate.